Vance Boelter is back in court today, this time in Hennepin County. Boelter is already sentenced in federal court for killing former House Speaker Melissa Hortman, her husband Mark, and their dog Gilbert, and for attempting to kill State Senator John Hoffman and his wife Yvette. Their daughter Hope was also there that night and called for help. Despite his federal conviction, state charges press on. Our Beret Leone joins us live from the Hennepin County Government Center as the state court process begins. Beret.
Well, Shayla, Vance Boelter will spend the rest of his life behind bars, but his legal battle is not over yet. In just over an hour, he'll make his first appearance in Hennepin County Court, where he's facing similar state charges tied to the deadly attacks last summer. Now, this mugshot was taken yesterday, and it's the latest image we have of Vance Boelter as he arrived at the Hennepin County Jail ahead of his court appearance this afternoon. In the state-level case, Boelter faces 2 counts of first-degree premeditated murder, 4 counts of attempted first-degree murder, animal cruelty, and impersonating a police officer. Legal experts we spoke with in June say it's unlikely Boelter will go to trial in state court, and instead they believe he will negotiate a guilty plea like we saw earlier this summer in federal court. But if Boelter's already convicted, why is the state pressing forward? Legal experts say there may be no point outside of emotional and symbolic value, and that could be worth everything.
When you have a life sentence, then you might say, why bother with a state prosecution? But other people might say it has symbolic value in the sense that it is still forcing Mr. Boelter to either go to trial, in which case people could testify about what he did, or forcing him to acknowledge in state court.
And another potential motivation: a president cannot pardon a state conviction, which would add another layer of protection to keep Boelter behind bars. Now, cameras are not allowed in the courtroom. The hearing is slated to begin at 1:15 this afternoon. We will have a crew there and bring you the very latest here on WCCO and CBS News Minnesota.
All right, our Beret Leone reporting. Thanks so much, Barrett.